Hi! If you're looking to learn this basketball move or this variation here, keep watching. We're going to start with the hoop in your right hand, palm towards the ground and thumb pointing to the left. Begin moving your right hand from the front of your body to your left, isolating the outside of the hoop. Return the hand back to the center before isolating the outside of the hoop to the right. The idea is to make the hoop appear that it is bouncing up and down, and we get this by tracing a wide V shape with our right hand. It feels like a hip-hop move. Once you feel you have it down with your right hand, let's try it with your left hand. Hold the outside of the hoop, palm facing the earth and thumb pointing to your right. Begin tracing wide V's while isolating the outside of the hoop. The left hand moves from the right of the body to the center, to the left of the body, back to the center. Remember, we are trying to get a bouncing effect. A variation of this move is holding the hoop on the inside with your hand. For this variation, the hoop rolls over the back side of the hand as you move the hoop from the left side to the right side. When the hoop is in your right hand, your thumb points up as the hoop is on your right side and down as the hoop is on your left side. It's a bit trickier to have this bouncing motion look clean, but I find this variation a lot easier to use in flow. When the hoop is in your left hand, your thumb will point down as the hoop is to your left and up as the hoop is to your right. Dip your arm and the hoop down as it rolls over the backside of your hand, and remember the wide V shape our hand is creating or our arm is tracing. And that's the variation. Transition time. Start with a basketball move variation where your hand is on the inside of the hoop. And when your thumb is pointing down, we will then do an isolation and the hoop will slowly move back up to framing your face. Just try that a couple times. Another variation is to start in reverse weave and stop the weave to move into this basketball move. Again, try it out with both hands. Check out my beginner hula hoop tutorials playlist for more videos, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye!